Happy new month, happy new year, guys. I hope you're all doing well. This is my first voiceover for YouTube, I believe, so I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. And before I start off, I just want to say thank you so much for all your amazing support during 2023. There was so much growth during last year, and I'm really appreciative and thankful to all you guys. Hello to any new subscribers, and thank you to my ongoing subscribers who show me nothing but love and support. So I decided to take apart my Christmas tree and all my festive decor shortly after Christmas, I believe even before the new year, because I was completely over it. So here I am, just taking apart my Christmas tree, and with that came a little refresh of my home as well. I always say that it's important to create a clean and clear space for you because it allows you to think straight, and it also gives you peace of mind as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video, and I want to thank you in advance for watching, and yeah, just enjoy the video. I also want to add that throughout the video, you're going to see certain parts of the walls in my home looking an absolute mess, guys. That's because procrastination has been my biggest portion when it comes to painting my walls. But I finally decided to just get it done and just get started. So after this video, you guys are going to see like a little mini home series where the videos are going to include me painting the walls. So yeah, I just wanted to come back on here and just throw in that little disclaimer, because I'm someone that really goes on about the importance of a clean and clear home, and having nice clean walls is obviously very important. It can be very difficult if you have kids or young children in your home, but you can't sit there and allow your walls to be a complete mess. So yeah, I just thought I'd throw in that disclaimer. And also my top that I was wearing throughout this part of the video, apologies for that also, that looks an absolute mess. It's even matching the walls, and I don't understand why. So I think it's about time I depart with this top, because it's been in the wash time and time again, but it looks horrible. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. after taking apart the festive decorations and everything, I was extremely tired. So I just made sure that I vacuumed to get rid of any mess and dirt on the floor. And then I had to hit the sheets. So the following day was when I decided to get started on my bedroom. I haven't actually been sleeping in here. My daughters have been sleeping in here because I've been doing up their room, and they like to leave my bed looking an absolute mess when they wake up. So here I am, just giving my bedroom a little refresh as well. So that's it for the video, guys. I decided to put back the same bedding that I had before because I really like this green color, and I think that's the color for 2024. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification button, give this video a like, and share it as well with anyone that you feel will enjoy this type of content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.